your tummy on YouTube if you don't stop putting your shirt down. There's no tummy. Can I hang off from those? Can I go inside of them? Can I get inside there, please? Come on. Here, I'll hold this. I'll lift her up. Come on. Come on. Just spread your legs.
Spread my legs? Elsa, you have scoliosis. This isn't going to work. Brian, here, you get over here while she films it.
Elsa?
Come on, we're just gonna...
This is such a sad attempt.
I can get up there.
Wait, we have to take our pants off first.
No, we don't.
Yes,
Don't.
we do.
I brought the spider in here.
Elsa?
I ate their spider webs. They don't taste like cotton candy.
Wait, hang on, let me get rid of my friend.
Can I get up there? Will I get hurt?
You could.
Oh shit. What if I have a seizure? It'd be so much fun.
You fall.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna rip. I'm gonna catch it on camera. I wanna go.
You're just looking up there.
Oh, can I go?
Can you get off?
No.
Then no.
That's not fair. I can't do anything.
Yeah, there's a lot of...
Hello, little spiders. I love all of you.
It's just dust, that's all it is.
Well, I have a theory that it's not dust. It's actually little bitty spiders. I do.
Hold on, one more thing, Amy. Look what you're holding on to. That hole won't support you as a grip. It's going to rip up the other legs and...
I wanna go.
I know an easier way for you to...
Can I know?
Use the grid right there.
Use the grid. Come on, use the grid. So I can go up. Come on. I like spiders.
Me too.
I should put them in my sugar cookies and then Amy, you can have some.
I can't do it. My shoes are too big.
Can I do it? I don't have shoes on. Take off your shoes. I have to pee.
Don't fall.
Uh-oh.
You're very clumsy, Amy.
Yeah, you're very clumsy, Amy. You want help? I don't want to help you. No, don't help her. Just no. Aw, it's little Amy.
Come here. Just drop.
I got it on camera. It's gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna show it to everyone.
I couldn't find that spot.
I want to hump someone.